Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and thanks to the guys from Shopee Malaysia, I've managed to get my hands on the Microsoft Surface Pro 6. So here's my unboxing and also my first impressions of the device. Now the unboxing was pretty straightforward, where the box comes in white with the Microsoft logo on the top left and the visuals of the Surface Pro right in the middle. Then looking at the back of the box, there are the exact specs of the Surface Pro 6 over there. Then opening the box immediately reveals the tablet inside, where underneath that there's a box above which contains the charging brick, which uses the Surface Pro's proprietary magnetic charging cable. And what's cool is that charging brick also has a USB-A port to charge any other devices as well. Then there's also the 3-pin plug inside, and down below you'll find the user manual. Now let's start with the specs. There are few variants available, where the base model, which I have right here, has the Intel's latest 8th Gen 1.6 GHz i5 8250U processor with Intel HD 620 graphics, and it uses the Windows 10 Home OS platform. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Alright, let's look at the build quality. It is made of really tough magnesium metal, which not only felt very sturdy, but the weight was also quite light and is super easy to carry. And like the previous generations, it comes with a very nice adjustable kickstand, which folds down all the way until 165 degrees. And usually when I'm using a tablet or a laptop, when I'm sitting on a sofa, I would usually use a pillow on my lap at first before placing the laptop or the tablet to get the right viewing angle, but that was not the case with this Surface Pro 6. As this sturdy stand really rests perfectly on my lap to give it a very nice and versatile viewing angle. Now, as a person who absolutely loves good screen, I found that the screen was really nice and pleasing, especially the moment I turned on the tablet, where it comes with a 12.3-inch Pixel Sense display. And I did research on what exactly the Pixel Sense display is, and yes, as I guessed it, it is the same display as the best display in the smartphone industry right now, so guess which one it is at the comment section below. Then in terms of the screen resolution, it comes with a 2736 by 1824 2K resolution with 10 point of touch, where the overall response of the touchscreen was very responsive. And I kind of really like the touchscreen keyboard layout, where it was nicely quite spaced out, which made typing really easy. So overall, the screen was amazing, even under brightly lit environment with a quite high 470 nits of brightness. Alright, let's look at the available I/O and the buttons. Looking on the right, there is the mini display port and also a USB 3.1 port, and the magnetic charging port is also available over there. Then on the left, there's the headphones jack, and on top there's the volume rocker and also the power or screen button. And of course, I would love for it to have a USB-C port, since 99% of my devices are using USB-C, so let's hope they include it in the future instead of getting a separate dongle for USB-C. Now the Surface Pro 6 comes with one camera at the back, which is an 8 megapixel camera, where the pictures were quite decent for a tablet device. And then the front facing camera is a 5 megapixel camera, where it's easily the best for any other laptop or even PC. It is quite sharp and colorful and is perfect for Skype calls as well. And the front facing camera also has a Windows Hello infrared sensor for facial recognition, where it unlocks really fast as well. Now I did find that the audio was really nice on the device, and it sounded great while watching movie or even playing games, as the device had a 1.6 watt stereo speaker with Dolby Audio premium sound. Now for those of you who watch my channel, you guys know that I'm not much of a gamer, but I did play Forza Street on this Surface Pro, and the game ran smooth without any significant delay during the game, so that was nice to know. And with that said, the overall usability and also the multitasking was great without any issues as well. Now if you guys want to convert this amazing tablet into a laptop, you can always purchase this, which is the Surface Pro's Type Cover keyboard, which has a really nice amazing Alcantara finish, which is not only the most comfortable keyboard that I've ever tested, but it also comes with a very nice keyboard as well, where the travel keys for the keyboard felt really nice, and it comes with different colors for you guys to choose from. And I find it super convenient to be able to use the keyboard and also the touchscreen at the same time to give you the best of two worlds, where it easily connects to the magnetic port and it switches from the tablet mode to the keyboard mode just like that, and you can always take it out immediately and it becomes to tablet mode as well. Then there's also the optional addition of the amazing Microsoft Arc mouse, where you can literally bend it according to your hands to ensure a best and ergonomic design, which I really like. And another great accessory which you guys can also get is of course the Surface Pro pen, which I felt it was great while using it, although I was not used to a thicker pen like this. So yes, overall the usability was great. Now as for the device battery, it comes with 5600 mAh of battery. With a brightness at medium, I got close to 10 hours of usage of multitasking and a little bit of gaming, which was also really nice to know. Now as for the price here in Malaysia, Shopee is selling the Microsoft Surface Pro 6 starting from 4,249 ringgit, and be sure to get it over there, as there are some of the cool vouchers and offers that you guys can get, which I will link down below. And a huge thanks goes out to Shopee for sending this device. So guys, that's my unboxing and also my first impressions of the Microsoft Surface Pro 6, and do let me know exactly what you guys like to know for me to test about this device with. A benchmark test, a particular gaming test, or any other question at the comment section below, and as usual, I'll do a full video review based on your questions as usual. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, and if you feel like being awesome, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.